Alright guys, so I also got some more shit. So I guess this is the diffuser.
That's nice.
But here's the diffuser. It's gonna go under the exhaust pipes over there, and then this right here, it's just the side skirts. I don't want to take them out. Or should I? My guys, I had the car for over a year, and when I first got the car I didn't know that I needed to go at angles, so I was just beating my shit up, so all scratched up all the way through. I saw some shit called skid guards, but that shit was hella expensive. I didn't want to spend hella money, which the skid guards are pretty nice. They just mount under here. They're like some metal plate type things that they mount in certain spots, so when the car scrapes, it's scraping on the metal. But I got the splitter, so we're gonna put the splitter on. Kind of defeats the purpose because the car's already a year old and it's all beat up, but at least my paint or my bumper will stay somewhat protected. So yeah, I mean, right now we took the belly pan protector off and all that, and we're gonna get ready to drill out these holes right here. Can you see them? Mm-hmm. You want to mount the splitter on the, how many holes are there? There's 5 holes. You want to insert them on the 2 middle ones because the ZL1 add-ons front splitters doesn't require the rods because of this fucking tool thing. So it clamps in with the it clamps in or whatever, so it sits flush through the whole bumper, so you don't need the splitter rods, which I did not like. That was something I didn't want on my car either. So if I have to do it, I'm gonna put them on, but if I don't have to and the splitter doesn't sag, you know, it is what it is. We're gonna rock out with it. But yeah, we're about to start drilling these with a 3/8 socket on both of these sides and get to it.
So Gordy didn't want to drill this, so I guess I gotta do it.
Yeah, I don't want to drill that shit. I'm not confident. It's leaking. Who's leaking, dude?
Drill it, and then it's too freaking big for us to put it in there.
Putting the rib nut bolts on now. So yeah, to fasten down the hardware for the splitter.
Ooh, this is tough.
Can you squeeze it for you, man? pretty much right now we fuck. We cut the gasket that came off of the. There's like a rubber gasket right here under where you drill. Cut it off, and we just like the ZL1 add-on video. We fuck, what's the word? We cut it to the new shape, so like around the bracket and shit. So yeah, that's what we did. And yeah, now we're gonna go get the splitter and see how it goes on. I guess so. They were screwing shit in right here.
Those are gonna be the. Yeah, those are the holes. Okay, those are the holes for the.
For these ones?
Yeah.
Oh, you see, I hit a hole right here.
So you guys just placed it on there then?
Yeah, let's put the holes in.
And the holes are already pre-made on the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it uses the existing.
The existing holes it has on there?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, it fell out.
Okay.
Look at. I think I drilled them right where the hole's at.
This one's kinda off.
Yeah, this one was right on.
This one's like a little bit off. Like a pussy hair. Over here loosening shit. I don't know where the fuck I put that socket at though.
Gabe, what are you doing there?
I'm tightening the brackets that were on the top that we drilled out under the radiator support. I left them like that just so we could have some adjustments when I'm tightening them up so that we can button everything up.
Alrighty, then. Alright guys, my camera is about to die, so I'm so sorry for the quality that you're about to see. It's from our phone.
Fuck.
Shaka on the beats, 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 Shaka on the beats.